In this episode, we will write some short A words. The letter A has many sounds, but the short A sound makes the sound ah, like an apple. Today, we are going to read and write some words that will have the short A in them. I will give you a word, and you will pause the video and write the word on your paper, dry erase board, or whatever you have available. Then you will unpause the video to check your answer. Sometimes I might ask you to change a letter, and then you'll have to pause the video and read the word. Then you're going to unpause the video to check your answer. So let's get started. Write the word mad. Check your answer. Now change mad to sad. Check your answer. Now change the S to an F. What word do you have now? You're right. You have fad. Now change fad to lad. How did you do? Check your answer. Now change the L to a P. What word do you have now? You're right. You have pad. Now change pad to tad. Check your answer. Now change the T to an H. What word do you have now? You're right. You have had. Finally, change had to bad. Check your answer. Good job. You were able to write and read short A words. I hope you like this word ladder. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store to learn more.